barely see in front of me. Whoa! Complete whiteout. Let's see. Fucking hands are freezing. It's so cold out here. Oh look, it's finally cleared up. See the traffic now. Here isn't that wind. Woo! 45 miles an hour. Feels like it's cold. Oh, trash can's knocked over. I gotta go to Walmart for this crap. Jeez, oh Pete. It's cold out here. My hands are cold. Yeah. It's cold. Let's see what this thing can do for me. See. Already 2 minutes into recording. 2:30. Oh, my battery's dying. It's so cold out here, it's draining the battery fast. Better stop it. Alright.